Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to Much Mad Motors YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a assembly of a Vevor motorcycle lift. It comes with or without a dolly. I purchased this scissor jack with a dolly on vevor.ca website. Let's assemble it and see how it works. Right, this is a video of Vevor motorcycle lift unboxing. Comes with a manual, some nuts and bolts, caster wheels, more caster wheels, a tool, this is a lift itself, and the tray. The basic instructions here. So you just gotta connect the dolly wheels to the dolly, so let's do that. After further inspection, I've noticed there's some nicks and kinks in the dolly itself. Not a big deal. Also, I've noticed there's no washers, so I don't know what's going on there, but we'll make it work. It's best to use using number 5 metric from Husky. I guess it's strap them in. So I'm using 10mm to pick it up like that. And like that. The assembly was easy, lift works good. I'll make a second video to see how it stacks up against this bad boy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Shift gears and cheers.